Okay guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all your support. I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to show you how I made this tomatoes. You can see it's homemade. Yeah, this is the tomatoes the first day I got it. This is the first day I got it. I bought it. So you allow it to stay 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 days so that it can get to the level to be cooked. Don't just cook it immediately you bought it. So this is the first day. You can see the difference. You can see the difference is getting shrink. So this, you can see it. You can see it. Yes, I really want to show you so that you'll be able to know when to start working on it. So after this stage, you now wash it. You have to wash it very well. You use salt or bicarbonate. Yes, to wash it. Wash it very well. Wash it very well because of some chemicals they use on the tomatoes to avoid the insects to eating it up. So this is it after washing it. It's on the side of the pot. This is my pot. Yeah, I'm about to cook it. So it's a kind of steaming process, but you have to have some more water. Like this one, you can add 2 liters of water. Yeah, so this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. It's okay now. It's okay now. Ready to remove out from the pot. Yeah, the skins are separated. So at this level, you remove it out of the pot to sever it. Yeah. To sever it. I'm cooking big quantity, so that is why I'm using this saver. So when you're home, it depends on the quantity you're using. So this is it. Make sure you remove all the waters before you start grinding. So as this is going on the other part, I have my washed bottle. Yeah, this is a bottle. It's on process. Yeah, it's on process. Wash it very well. Wash it very well. After that, allow it to dry. Yeah. So this is the machine I'm using. This machine I'm using. This machine is very nice. Very nice. For homemade, because your blender cannot do this work. Yes, with your blender, except the quantity is very small, but it is like my own quantity that will last me for a year. Yeah, this one cannot last me for a year because this year I didn't do so much because of my time schedule. I don't have so much time, so I just eat more. But normally I use the tomato throughout the year before the next season of tomatoes. Yes. So but this year I really don't have time for it because there's a lot of work in it. So this is it. This is the grinding stage. This machine, you can see the skin going out from the other side and the puree coming from this one white funnel. You can see the separation. Yes, that is how it goes. So this process you can do, the skin you can redo it like 2 or 3 times depending on how tomato, like that one that is holding out there, you can redo it again like 2 to 3 times depending on how the tomato comes out. Yeah, like my own 2 times is okay for me. After this process, I'll now redo it again the second time. So I'm okay with it. So this one and the white bath, yes, in that white bowl, we throw away later. But I'll have to redo it again. I have to regrind it again for the second time. Sometimes 3rd time, depending on how it will do it to the extent that it gets dry. Yeah, the skin will be dry. So this is a puree. You can see it. It's organic. Yes. That is how my family do it every day. That is how we work on it every day. Just in the day work. Just in the day work. Yeah. The work starts early in the morning. Early in the morning before it gets to 1 o'clock. We are through. So the tomato is okay. I lost some clip on this video. The time of the bottling it, why they are putting it inside the bottle, and the time I was adding the salt, and also it needs some to add the basil leaves. Yes, that was time. So I lost some clips. That never mind. So you add salt. Yes, add salt depending on where you like it, because salt keeps it on. Yes, salt helps to preserve it for a very long time. Some people add lemon juice, but I don't add lemon juice, so I add this one. Yeah, some add lemon juice, that is citric acid, but me, I add only salt, because within 1 year we'll finish it. Yeah, but it can last you for 2 years. Yeah, this tomato can last you for 2 years on this preparation. Yes, with this preparation, okay, is now done. That is the bottle. That I'll put it in the bottle. Then the next thing now, inside the pot, you pack all the bottles, tomato, and pour water inside of it. Yeah, fill the pot with water, because this is about to cock the bottle. This process is to cock the bottle, is to seal the bottle. Do not allow the air enter into the bottle, because if air enters it, yes, it gets spoiled. So you will cook it. This process will last for 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes, starting from the boiling point. Yes, starting from the boiling point. 1 hour 30 minutes. You will allow it to boil till 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is it. So as you're watching now and up to this time you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. So this is the final stage of this. Yes, tomato puree. This is the final stage. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. God bless you. See you next.